Phil cannot give Concorde clearance to land until this plane's completely cleared the runway.
Oh, where's he going? Really floated that one, didn't he? This could be interesting if he goes all the way down. Egypt Air 779 expedite first flight Concorde short finals. Excuse me, this is probably a Concorde go-around.
The decision whether or not to land has to be made in the next few seconds.
Stand by. Speedbird 2, roger. He did it. Speedbird 2, climb to maintain 2,000 feet only initially, straight ahead.
2,000 feet straight ahead, Speedbird 2.